The fridge is empty.
Grandma is coming for dinner tonight. We have no food.
Don't worry, Mom. Let's make a list.
Good idea. We need apples, bread, and pasta.
I like going to the market.
Here we are. Look is busy today.
Wow! The doors open by themselves. This cart is big. I will be the driver.
Okay, driver. To the fruit section, please.
Look at the red apples.
We need 5 apples. Can you count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we weigh them.
Good job. Put the sticker on the bag.
Apples, check. What is next?
Next is bread. Follow your nose.
It smells like fresh bread.
Look at all the fresh bread.
The donuts look yummy. Can we get one?
Not today, Emma. We need bread for dinner.
Okay, now we need pasta for Grandma.
Oh no. Where is the special pasta?
Excuse me, sir.
Hello there. Can I help you? Aha! Let me see. Here is the last box.
Thank you very much. I got it, Mom!
Great job, Emma. Let's pay for the food.
That will be $20.
I will pay with my card.
I am helping pack the bags.
We are finished. Let's go home.
I am hungry now.
I know, sweetie. We'll get something to eat soon. We will be home soon. This pasta is delicious, Emma.
Thanks, Grandma. It's fun to eat. We're so glad you're here. Supermarket shopping is fun.